Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management, the channel that's all about maximizing your health and well-being without the dogma. Staying fit doesn't have to mean crushing weights and endless cardio every single day. In this video, we're diving into some seriously cool strategies to stay in shape without ever stepping foot in a gym. We're talking about getting that lean, mean physique just by living your life. So, if you're tired of the same old workout routines and ready to unlock a whole new level of fitness, buckle up. This one's for all you go-getters who are ready to conquer their health and feel absolutely amazing. Chapter 1. Move more, live more. Let's talk about neat, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's all those little movements you make throughout the day that add up big time. Think about it. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking around while you're on the phone, doing chores around the house, gardening, playing with your dog. These all burn calories and boost your metabolism. Most people underestimate the power of these small actions. You'd be surprised how much energy you burn just by being more active in your daily life. Instead of sitting there like a lump, get up and move. Pace around while you're on the phone, do some jumping jacks during commercial breaks, turn up the music and dance while you're cooking dinner. It's about making movement a part of your lifestyle, not just something you dread for an hour at the gym. So get creative, get moving, and watch your fitness levels soar. Chapter 2. Ditch the workout, find your fun. Now let's talk about finding activities you genuinely enjoy. Who says exercise has to feel like a chore? Life's too short to force yourself to do things you hate. Think about it. Dancing, swimming, hiking, playing sports, even motion-based video games. These can all be awesome ways to get your heart rate up and have a blast at the same time. And when you enjoy what you're doing, you're way more likely to stick with it. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find what works for you. The point is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. Find what makes you tick, embrace it, and watch as your body and mind transform. Chapter 3. Unlock your inner strength without the gym. Alright, let's talk about building strength without even setting foot in a gym. It's all about those everyday activities that challenge your muscles in new and interesting ways. Think about it, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, doing yard work. These all require strength and can help you build muscle without even realizing it. We're talking squats while you brush your teeth, lunges while you wait for the coffee to brew, push-ups on the kitchen counter. The possibilities are endless. Building strength isn't just about lifting heavy weights. It's about finding those everyday opportunities to move, lift, and push yourself a little bit further. Chapter 4. Fuel your body, unleash your energy. Let's talk about food, everyone. You can't outrun a bad diet no matter how much you move. What you put into your body directly affects your energy levels, your metabolism, and your overall health. Ditch the processed crap, the sugary drinks, and the empty calories. Instead, focus on real, whole foods that nourish your body and fuel your active lifestyle. Trust me, when you start fueling your body with the good stuff, you'll notice a huge difference in how you feel. Chapter 5. Hack your routine, maximize your movement. Alright, let's talk about hacking your daily routine to maximize your movement. It's all about making small, strategic changes that add up to big results over time. Park farther away from the entrance at the grocery store, take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to work if you can. Take your dog for an extra lap around the block. Do some stretches while you're waiting for the microwave to beep. Every step counts. It's all about finding those little opportunities to sneak in more movement throughout your day. Chapter 6. Consistency over intensity, the real key to success. Now let's talk about the importance of consistency. It's not about killing yourself with intense workouts every now and then. It's about finding a sustainable routine that you can stick with day in and day out. Life gets in the way, things happen, and sometimes you can't make it to the gym or do a full-blown workout. But that's okay. The key is to keep moving, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. A 10-minute walk is better than no walk at all. Find what works for you, be consistent, and watch as those small efforts compound into big results over time. Chapter 7. Rest, recover, repeat. Listen up, folks, because this is crucial. Rest and recovery are just as important as the work you put in. You can't go hard all the time without giving your body a chance to repair and rebuild. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality shut-eye is ideal, and don't forget to manage stress. Rest and recovery aren't signs of weakness. They're essential components of a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize rest, prioritize recovery, and watch as your body thanks you for it with increased energy, improved performance, and a whole lot of awesome. Alright folks, that's it for today's episode. Hopefully, you've learned some valuable tips and tricks to stay fit without hating workouts. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you, listening to your body, and making movement a part of your lifestyle, not just a chore you dread. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more awesome content on health, fitness, and overall well-being. Thanks for tuning in, keep crushing it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.